Good day, folks. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, and I'm here at the Cania Gorge picnic area, and I've brought my drone, and we might get it up, have a look into the top of the hills behind me. Just a quick look. I'm leaving my little break I'm having it here at Cania Gorge, and this is the last thing I'm doing on the way out. So we'll gather our gear, put our drone together, and take it on over. Okay, so we got the drone together. The controller has a slot for the phone to go in, but I can't give it the phone yet because I'm using it to record this. It's early in the morning, as I said, 8 o'clock. The light's a bit dull. It's a sort of a light overcast day, but we'll see how we go. Should get some good shots. Well, I better say where I am. I'm in Cania Gorge, which is in Central Queensland, near Monto in Central Queensland, Australia. And I'm in the tour, I forget what they call it, the picnic area, yeah, on the Cania Road. And this is the start to the walk. I was here last night and I saw a nice clearing where I can get the drone up and up towards the cliffs. There's the list of the walks that are here. I've done Dripping Rock, the 1.1 kilometre one, and I highly recommend it. Pretty amazing stuff at the end of the walk. Sheer sandstone walls. The sandstone here is 200 million years old. There's a quick view of it up there. Deposited, this was a low-lying plain, and the moving water deposited all the sandstone. And then over the next millions of years, it was compressed down into these rock cliffs and boulders. Okay guys, well that was a bit more drone practice for me, but a lot more practice needed actually. But I got a few shots anyway. Hope you enjoyed them. If you like the channel, please subscribe and please share the video with your friends, and leave me a comment. I'm always interested in your comments. Well, time to leave this wonderful place and head back to where I live further north. Thanks for watching.